guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, we are going to answer a common question: how to download the App Store on your iPhone if it's missing or disappeared. So you might want to stick around till the end of the video if you are having these problems like missing the App Store or it disappeared from your phone completely. First, check if your App Store is actually hidden. Swipe down on your home screen and type App Store in the search bar. After that, the App Store will appear. If it shows up, it's just hidden in a folder, and you can check your hidden folder by simply scrolling down and clicking on the empty one right here, and the hidden files will be available in this tab right here. Second, make sure your iPhone is updated, so go to the settings and check for your latest software update and install any pending updates that are available right now. Third, check restrictions. Go to the settings and screen time, and from there you can check content and privacy restrictions, iTunes and App Store purchases, and make sure installing apps is allowed from there as well. Fourth is, if App Store is still missing, reset your home screen layout. Simply go to Settings and General and simply scroll down and reset it from here. This brings all default apps back to their original position. Finally, if nothing works, restart your iPhone or contact Apple support for help. The Apple Store or App Store is a default app, so it can't be permanently deleted. It might be some glitches that it removed from your phone, and that's how you can get the App Store back on your iPhone. Check updates, restrictions, and reset your home screen if needed. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.